Welcome to Easy English Listening Practice. This is a very long story. You can relax. You can listen slowly. You can listen again and again. Do not worry if you do not understand everything. Just listen. Just feel the story. Today, we go to a beautiful island, a quiet island, a peaceful island. That island is Jeju. This is a story about a man named Minhu. He was tired. He was busy. He was lost. But one day, he made a choice. A simple choice. A brave choice. He changed his life. Now, take a deep breath, sit comfortably, and begin your journey to Jeju. Chapter 1. Leaving Seoul. My name is Minhu. I am 29 years old. I lived in Seoul for many years. Seoul is a big city. Seoul is full of people. Every morning, I woke up early, very early, sometimes before the sun. I heard alarms. I heard cars. I heard people. Everything was loud. Everything was fast. I got up. I got dressed. I went to work. Every day was the same. Wake up, go to work, come home, sleep, repeat, again and again and again. At first it was okay. I had a job. I had money. I had a small apartment, but something was missing. Something was wrong. I felt tired. Not only my body, my heart, my mind. Everything felt heavy. Sometimes I looked at the sky, but I could not see it well. Too many buildings, too many lights, too much noise. One night, I came home late, very late. I sat on my bed. I did not turn on the light. The room was dark, very dark. I asked myself a question. Am I happy? I waited, but there was no answer, only silence. That silence was heavy. That silence was real. The next day, I went to work again, but something changed. I could not focus. I looked at my computer, but I did not see anything. I listened to people, but I did not hear anything. My body was there, but my mind was far away, very far away. At lunch, I sat alone. I looked at my phone. I saw pictures. Blue ocean, green fields, black rocks. The place was Jeju. I looked again, and again, and again. Something moved inside me. A small feeling, a quiet voice. It said, "Go." That night, I could not sleep. I thought about Jeju. I thought about my life. I thought about change. Change is scary. Very scary. But staying the same was also scary. Maybe more scary. 1 week later, I made a decision. I quit my job. My friends were surprised. "Are you okay?" they asked. "Why, Jeju?" they asked. I smiled. "I need a new life," I said. I packed my things. Not many things. Just simple things. Clothes, books, memories. Then one day, I left Seoul. The city was still loud, still busy, still fast. But I was different. I was quiet. I was calm. I was ready. I got on the plane. I looked out the window. Seoul became smaller, smaller, and smaller. Then it disappeared. I took a deep breath. "New life," I said softly. "New beginning." And I smiled. Chapter 2. First day in Jeju. The plane landed in Jeju. I stepped outside. The air was different, very different. It was fresh, cool, clean. I took a deep breath. Again and again. I could smell the sea. I could feel the wind. It touched my face. Soft, gentle, but strong. I smiled. "This is Jeju," I said. I took a bus. The road was long. On one side, I saw the ocean, blue, wide, endless. On the other side, I saw fields, green, open, quiet. There were no tall buildings, no loud sounds, only nature, only space. My heart felt light, very light. I arrived at my small house. It was simple, white walls, wood door, small windows. But it was beautiful, very beautiful. I opened the door. The room was empty, but it was clean and warm. I put my bag down. I sat on the floor. I looked around. Silence. Real silence. Not city silence, but natural silence. I lay down. I closed my eyes. I listened. Wind. Birds. Nothing else. I felt calm. I felt safe. That night, I slept early. No noise, no stress, only peace. I slept deeply, very deeply. The next morning, I woke up slowly. No alarm, no rush. I opened my eyes. Soft light came in. I stood up. I opened the window. The sky was blue. The air was cool. I smiled. "Good morning, Jeju," I said. That was my first day. Simple, quiet, perfect. Chapter 3. Slow morning routing. Life in Jeju is slow, very slow, and I like it. Every morning, I wake up, naturally. No alarm, no stress, just light, soft light, warm light. I open my eyes. I stretch my body, slowly, gently. I sit up. I take a deep breath. In, out, in, out. I feel alive. I walk to the window. I open it. The wind comes in. Fresh air fills the room. I close my eyes. I breathe deeply. This moment is simple, but it is important. Very important. I go to the kitchen. I make coffee. Slowly, carefully. I listen to the sound. Water, fire, cup. Everything is quiet. Everything is clear. I make breakfast. Eggs, toast, sometimes fruit. I sit down. I eat slowly. I do not use my phone. I do not rush. I just eat and feel. After breakfast, I go outside. I walk. No plan, no goal, just walking. I see the ocean. I see the sky. I see the rocks. I hear the wind. I feel the sun. Sometimes I stop. I stand still. I look far away, very far. The horizon is wide, endless, and I feel free, very free. This is my life now. Simple moments, slow time, quiet mind, and I am happy. Chapter 4. Opening a small cafe. After some days in Jeju, I had a new idea. I wanted to start something small, something simple. I did not want a big job again. I did not want a busy life again. I wanted something slow, something warm. So I thought about a small cafe, near the ocean, a place for people to rest, a place for people to feel calm. I walked around the island. I looked at many places. Some were big, some were expensive, some were too far. Then one day, I found it. A small space near the sea, very small, but very beautiful. I could see the ocean from the window. I could hear the waves. I could feel the wind. This is it, I said. This is my place. I cleaned the space, day by day. Slowly, I painted the walls. White, soft white. I bought simple tables, wood tables, warm color. I put small plants, green plants. I opened the window. Light came in. Air came in. Life came in. Then I made a name. Slow Day Cafe. Because life here is slow, and that is good. The first day, I was nervous, very nervous. I waited. No one came. 1 hour, 2 hours, still no one. I smiled a little. It's okay, I said. Slow start. Then, one person came. A woman. She smiled. Coffee, please, she said. I made coffee. Slowly, carefully. She drank it. She smiled. It's good, she said. That moment, I felt happy, very happy. That was the beginning. Chapter 5. Quiet Days and Lonely Heart. Not every day was happy. Some days were very quiet, too quiet. No customers, no voices, no smiles. Only wind, only waves, only me. I sat in the cafe. I looked outside. The ocean moved. The sky changed. Time passed slowly, very slowly. I checked my phone. No messages. I felt something. Lonely. A little heavy. I missed Seoul. I missed my friends. I missed noise. Strange. Before, I hated noise. Now, I missed it. I laughed softly. Life is funny. Very funny. That day, I closed the cafe early. I walked outside. The wind was strong. The sea was loud. I stood there. I looked at the horizon, and I asked myself again, did I make the right choice? No answer. Only wind. Only sea. But then, I took a deep breath, and I said, it's okay. Give it time. Just wait. So I waited, and I did not give up. Chapter 6. Meeting Hana. One afternoon, something changed. A girl came into the cafe. She looked around, slowly, carefully. Then she smiled. Hello, she said. Hello, I said. She sat by the window. She looked at the ocean. For a long time, very quiet. Then she said, this place is beautiful. Thank you, I said. She ordered coffee. I made it slowly. I brought it to her. She held the cup. She closed her eyes. She took a sip. Then she smiled again. My name is Hana, she said. My name is Minhu, I said. We talked, slowly, easily. She also came from Seoul. She also felt tired. She also wanted a new life. We laughed. We understood each other. That day, time passed fast, very fast. Before she left, she said, I will come again. And she did. Again, and again, and again. Now, the cafe was not empty. Now, my days were not lonely. Because someone understood me. Chapter 7. Small moments and big meaning. Life did not become big. Life stayed small. But it became full, very full. Every day, I opened the cafe. Every day, I made coffee. Every day, I saw the ocean. Hana came often. We talked. We laughed. Sometimes, we said nothing, just silence. But it was not lonely silence. It was warm silence, comfortable silence. We watched the sunset together. Orange sky, pink clouds, golden light. The ocean shined. Everything was beautiful. We did simple things. Drink coffee, walk by the sea, listen to music, talk about life. These moments were small, but they were important, very important. I learned something. Happiness is not big. Happiness is small and quiet and real. Chapter 8. Rainy Day in Jeju. One day, it rained. Soft rain. Then heavy rain. The sky was gray. The ocean was dark. The wind was cold. No customers came. Only Hannah. She sat near the window. We listened to the rain. Tap, tap, tap. On the glass. On the roof. On the ground. The sound was soft. Relaxing. We did not talk much. We just listened. I made warm tea. She held the cup. Her hands were warm. The rain continued. Long, slow, peaceful. This is nice, she said. Yes, I said. Very simple, but very true. That day, I learned something again. Even rain can be beautiful. Even quiet days can be full. Chapter 9. Change inside me. After many days, I changed. Slowly, but clearly. Before, I was always busy. Now, I am calm. Before, I was always thinking. Now, I am feeling. Before, I was always tired. Now, I have energy. My heart feels light. My mind feels clear. I smile more. I breathe deeper. I enjoy small things. A cup of coffee. A quiet morning. A soft wind. A simple talk. Jeju did not change the world. Jeju changed me. And that is enough. Chapter 10. Ending. Tonight, I sit outside. The sky is full of stars. Bright stars. Clear stars. The air is cool. The wind is soft. I hear the ocean. Slow waves. Gentle sound. I close my eyes. I take a deep breath. I think about my life. Soul. Busy. Fast. Heavy. Jeju. Quiet. Slow. Light. Both are life. But this life is mine. I open my eyes. I look at the stars. I smile. My name is Minhu, I say softly. I live in Jeju, and I am happy. Very happy. Thank you for listening to this story. I hope you feel calm and relaxed. Remember, you do not need to understand everything. Just listen every day. Little by little, you will improve. Your English will become better. Slowly, but surely. If you enjoyed this story, please like and subscribe. It really helps this channel. And don't forget to listen again tomorrow. Practice every day. Stay calm, stay patient, and believe in yourself. See you in the next story.